So this is a basketball helper Python program and can be used for all these three sports. Let's say basketball for the first time and workout line I'm choosing. The rest time between each of the exercise is 1 second. The literal lunge, say 30 of them. Then comes the glute bridge, say 56 of them. Then the literal down, 60 of them. Pull-ups, say 20. And blow squat, say 56. And RDL, say 50. Yeah, now these are the exercises listed over here, just that I just did with the time consumed. Say revive for the continuing practice. Then come, let's say football for now. Then if I want to go for the track my weekly progress, I will be pressing 3. Say I played 20 matches this week, and out of which I won 19 and unfortunately lost 1. This is my success rate for the upcoming matches. Continuing by pressing Y again. This time if I choose hockey, then I can go for say track my strengths and weaknesses. And these are the moves that I'm practicing, and once again is the time between each of these. I'm done with the stopping, then the passing, then comes the shooting, then the stick handling, there was the pushing off, and finally the checking. Now if I wanna work on 2 of my weaknesses over here, let's say one of them is passing, the other one is say shooting. So once I'm done with the passing, I'll press enter, and if I press the time I spent extra, I will get a bonus score of 10. Once again, I'm done with the shooting, let's say 50 of minutes I passed it. So the moves that I practiced and the weaknesses over here. It's going, if I'm done with this, I can simply press no, and this is my total score for the day. Thank you.